हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज रसिका एंड आज हम मॉक इंटरव्यू लेने वाले हैं ऑन सिलेनियम टेस्टिंग, ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग एंड मैनुअल टेस्टिंग। एंड हमारे साथ है हमारा कैंडिडेट, उनका नाम है गरिमा। सो गरिमा, विल यू प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ?
Hi, ma'am. This is Garima Sharma, and I am here to introduce myself. And I joined this institute to upgrade myself and upgrade my
Right.
skills to use it on my experience and get a good opportunities going
Very
further.
nice, very nice, Garima. So let's start with your technical round. So your first question is, Garima, what is software testing?
Yes, ma'am. Software testing is a process to check the quality of the software, the
Right.
functionality of the software, and should be the defect free before delivering to the customer. And also, we need to be validate and verify the project. And also, testing should be done on positive and negative both the aspects.
Right, right. So basically, software testing का जो आपने आंसर दिया, it's absolutely right. So we are going to validate and verify the software for correctness and completeness in the software, and we have to deliver the software defect free. That is the main agenda of doing software testing, right? We'll move to the next question. So I'll give you three keywords here, and you have to tell me whether there's a difference between all the three, and if there's a difference, then what is the difference between all the three keywords. So
Sure.
we'll start. So the first keyword is error, second keyword is defect, and last keyword is failure. Okay, fine. So Garima, you have to tell me the difference. If there's a difference, then what is the difference between all three?
Yes, ma'am. When the developer are doing the development, they are preparing their code. At that time, they are finding errors.
Right.
So this is called errors. And if the testers are doing their testing, at that time they are finding defects.
Right.
And when we will deliver the project or product, at that time when customers are checking it, and when that time they are finding any defect or error, that called failure.
Right, very true. So very right, Garima. So I'll explain it further. So ये तीनों भी डिफेक्ट्स और एरर्स है, ठीक है, या फॉल्ट्स है। एरर हमको डेवलपमेंट फेज में दिखता है, डिफेक्ट हमको टेस्टिंग फेज में मिलता है, एंड फेलियर हमको मेंटेनेंस फेज में मिलता है। ओके, फाइन, विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Fine, Garima. Next question is, so what is pesticide paradox in software testing?
Yes, ma'am. In this testing, when the testers will be using same test cases again and again to do the testing, so they will not able to find any other defects. So they have to make the changes into the test cases. So with the help of the change test cases, they again do the testing. So they will be able to find new defects. So that with the help of that, we will be having a defect-free project. Ma'am, I need to add one example to elaborate. If I am getting a fever and I'm going to the doctor and he is giving me some kind of antibiotic and I'm taking that for 3 days. And again, after some time, I'm again getting the fever and I'm again going to the doctor and he's again giving me the same medicine. So it is not helping me to reduce my reduce my illness. So at that time, doctor needs to change the antibiotic so that it will affect me properly and I'll be fine after that.
Very good, Garima. Your example was perfect and it really elaborated the answer. Garima, let's move to the next question. So, can you just tell me what is agile methodology or what is an agile model?
Yes, ma'am. Agile is a iterative model, and it's a part of SDLC model only. And
Okay.
nowadays, it is very much used in the industry. And when the project is large and the requirement is keep on changing, very frequently changing, at that time, this model is very helpful. So agile model is also having a Scrum in it, and Scrum is having members on it like product owner, Scrum master, developer, and testers.
Yeah, very well said. So, can you just tell me what is the role of a Scrum Master in a Scrum meeting or in a Scrum?
Scrum Master, he is a facilitator. He helped the team to follow agile methodology, agile process, or Scrum basically. And Scrum Master helped the team to do the task in daily basis. He take the daily stand-up calls with the team to know the status of the project, to know the if a developer is facing any kind of issues and anything, and he is help the team to resolve it with the help of product owner and also with the customer. So he is a kind of facilitator.
Okay. Absolutely right, Garima. Very well said. So let's move to the next question. What is the difference between smoke testing and sanity testing?
Smoke testing is when we are doing the hardware testing,
Hmm.
and sanity testing means when we are checking the internal functionality of the product. If I'll take an example of a mobile, if I need to check the smoke test in this mobile, I need to check whether I'm able to start this phone and I'm able to see the display of this, and it's all the app is I'm able to open. That's it. But if I need to check the sanity testing, I will be inserting my SIM on it, and I'll be make a call, or I will also check whether I will be able to receive the SMS. I am able to do the WhatsApp chat or not, and I'm able to access internet properly or not. That all when I check, it's sanity testing.
Fine. Very true. So basically, when you're doing the smoke and sanity testing on a mobile, so smoke testing cases, test cases would be, you would be just checking whether the mobile is operational or not, whether all the apps are available or not. Okay. In sanity testing, we are going to use each and every app in depth and check whether they are working functionally proper or not. Okay. So that's the actual difference between smoke and sanity. But very true. Fine, Garima. Last question. Can you just tell me the two techniques of black box testing?
Yes, ma'am. Black box testing is done by the testing team, and the two techniques are equivalence partitioning and boundary value analysis.
Fine, Garima. You have answered all the questions and they were up to the mark. And ऐसे ही questions आपको prepare करके जाने हैं for your real interview. This was just the mock session. So hello everyone. So this was Garima with me, and ये सारे जो questions हमने पूछे थे, ये सारे technical questions थे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस थे जो आप आगे जाके इंटरव्यू के लिए जाओगे तो आपको भी पूछ सकते हैं. अगर आपको ऐसा ही मॉक इंटरव्यू देना है तो आप नीचे फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हो और हमारे साथ आगे जाके इंटरव्यू दे सकते हो. ऐसे ही नॉलेजेबल वीडियोस के लिए, टेक्निकल इंटरव्यूज के लिए हमको फॉलो कीजिए और बहुत सारे ऐसे इंटरव्यूज हम पोस्ट करने वाले हैं. थैंक यू.